Fully tested keyless entry remote with battery and electronics installed. DIY step-by-step self-programming instructions included. Replaces 15,732,803, KOBUT1BT. Please confirm part number from original remote. KeylessOption Warranty Card included with each purchase. This is a replacement part to match the original in form and function. A quick, easy and affordable way to replace a keyless entry remote key fob. Complete remote with a new battery and electronics installed. DIY step-by-step programming instructions included. Please use the parts finder to ensure this remote is compatible with your vehicle. Please verify the vehicle calls for the 15,732,903 remote and not the 15,042,968 remote. They are not interchangeable. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to program. Bought these for my 2000 Chevy Suburban. Hardware store quoted me $80 per each for replacement fobs. These were $25. Read several comments about how to program, also visited the website and entered vehicle information. Instructions were clear and easy to understand. I am not really tech savvy, but it took me less than 5 minutes to link both fobs plus my original to the vehicle. You have to reprogram the original at the same time since it generates a new code. They work great and I've been telling all my friends about them.